Good morning, YouTube world. It's about 5 a.m. in the morning. Yes, I'm up. This is my life for the next 2 years. For the last 4 days, they have been digging and hauling stuff away. And this is what they've been doing for the last 4 days. They start at 7 and go at 7 at night. Wow. They've been working pretty hard. Very nice gentlemen that work here. Oh yes, I'm nosy. I want to know everything. I ask all kinds of questions. Well, you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.